So sometimes in JavaScript, you have an array of elements and you want to run through every element one by one and just do some type of logic. Now this logic could do side effects, this logic could just do a console log, and you could do a traditional for loop if you wanted to, but it turns out there's a helpful method on the array prototype called forEach, where you can basically pass it a callback function and run a function for every element in the array. Let's go ahead and try doing that. I'll say numbers.forEach, and we're going to pass it a callback, and that callback is going to take in an element. So I'll say, in this case, I'll say number, and we can just go ahead and do a console log for every single element, and I'll say my number, and then print out number here. So now if I were to go ahead and run this in my terminal, you'll see that it prints out for every single element of this array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it prints out my number, 1, my number, 2, my number, 3, etc. So you can do the same thing. You can do whatever type of logic that you want in this callback, and this is really useful when you don't need to do some type of async await on every single element of the array. If you want any more JavaScript tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe and also join my Discord if you want to talk to me directly. Have a good day and happy coding.